them have 3 nights basically where them have things we go on. Them have karaoke, them have games, and them have topless night.
Oh, what? What kind of night? Just make sure say when you go up there, so me daddy.
Yeah, we talk about this another time.
Yeah, man. We'll definitely talk about it.
Oh, before we forget, you see the brother will run the hardware, Smith, tell him to call me. So I make you get the thing them, because me and him have a working relationship, so me can get the thing them and me send the funds another time or whatever. But I'm gonna make sure so you get them.
Oh, yes, sir.
Alright. Yeah, man.
Carlton. Come here. We got 5 minutes, so we'll have a private conversation with Carlton.
Okay, sir. Mr. Wallace, I'll see you when I see you. Carlton,
Exactly.
I'll see you when I see you.
Okay, take care. Virgin, you know, say you not learn.
Oh, yeah, me.
Boy, if you talk about topless in front of her. Go on, man.
Brother, me forget that she sit down round there.
Oh, if you forget that she sit down around there. Anyway, what you say?
What go on with that? Cool, brother.
Yeah, that's a part of the stress. Very things. I really have to page him. Wicked.
So I really are going.
Virgin, a container with weapons down the wharf in a mine name.
Container what? Oh, what you say to me, Carlton?
Yep. I used to do my deep research on that boy there. Remember him in the army, you know? So that I right up a Theme Avenue. And him said something to me what day on me see. I thought, but oh, you love weapons. You have a whole heap forget.
Carlton, I tell you, you know, if we deal with that boy there, you know.
Yeah, Trevor. You see, that's always your problem. You make your emotions rule you. This is something where you have to take your time and be strategic. Him strategic and tactical, me have to outsmart him.
Well, yeah, I understand what you say. But all me I tell you, no leave me out of this, you know.
Look, Trevor, you're going to be instrumental in bringing down Tony, but not physically. So just relax yourself,
I
alright?
mean not physically. Carlton, a long time I no bust something out of my thing, you know. The last time I bust something out of this half of you, you know.
Hello, you sure you want to go this up? Eh? You remember what happened?
It's cold, man. We don't have to go back this up. But, you see that youth here? I'm going to make a whole heap of trouble for you.
Trevor, all I want you to do is just follow my lead and trust me I get it done. You ever see me fail yet?
No.
Alright. Look, man, no worry yourself. I get it done, alright?
Oh, but how will you get them food here?
You want some?
But I eat some here, so how you mean?
Man, go on here, man. Camila will for you.
John no star. Then you're not really tell me if I can get something like this to eat.
This is home cooked.
So, you have somebody at home and cook for you now?
Brother, Camila will for you.
Yes, sir!
I go out behind them feed up. They can't cook enough. They can't cook more than food.
Alright, we talk.
Yeah,
I'm
man.
going to talk to Smith and make him deal with it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Come, I'm ready.